We need silence. We're trying to get an Emmy maybe. I don't know. What do they have? What, do they give awards for like online content? we should push for this. We could probably get some through here. Hey guys, John Ambrosic here with Smail Cadillac down in Greensburg. And if you've just maybe purchased a new Cadillac or maybe thinking of one, I know some people have a question about the warranties. So with the warranty on Cadillac, you're going to get a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and that's going to cover pretty much everything from the front of the car to the back of the car, except for the wearable items. So like your tires, windshield wipers, brakes, things like that. Your powertrain is going to be a 6-year, 70,000-mile, and that's going to cover everything from the engine, transmission, all the way back through the drivetrain. Any Cadillac EV vehicles, you're going to have the same bumper-to-bumper, so 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on those. Again, doesn't cover any wearable items. And then your battery warranty is going to be an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. You're also going to get a 6-year, 70,000-mile roadside assistant warranty. So what that is going to do, it's going to cover you if you have any breakdowns or anything on the side of the road. You can call Cadillac Roadside Assistance. Part of that warranty is also going to cover you for loaner vehicles. So if you ever have to bring your vehicle in for service and has to be left overnight, we can get you set up with a courtesy vehicle. You can actually have that set up to where they'll come pick your vehicle up from work or home from you, bring it in, and then bring it back to you after the service is done. So guys, if you're thinking of purchasing a new Cadillac, you can check us out online at smailcadillac.com, or if you're in the area, stop right down right off of Route 30 in Greensburg and check us out in person.